Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Filmora project from mobile phone to PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to transfer your project, you need to have Filmora account. You can make it with your Google account, and after that you will get Filmora Cloud storage for free. You will get 1 gigabyte for your storage, and you will be able to upload your project to the Filmora Cloud. And after you have an account, you need to log into the account with your phone and with your PC. And after that, you can upload your project to your cloud and you will be able to open it from your PC. And for example, this one guys, I have already uploaded my project to the cloud. So now I can access this project from my PC. Okay, and to upload project to the cloud, you can go to your account and then you just need to upload it. Oops, sorry. Here you can click on the Filmora Cloud, and on your mobile phone you can open up the Filmora Cloud and then you can upload and choose upload project. And then you can open your project from your phone or from your PC. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Filmora project from phone to PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.